In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a link to your Outlook signature. It's a handy way to enhance your email communication, providing recipients with easy access to your website, LinkedIn profile, or any other relevant page directly through your signature. First, let's head over to Microsoft Outlook. If you're using the desktop app or accessing it via a web browser, you'll want to make sure you're logged into the right account. Once you're on the Outlook homepage, you'll notice an option to sign in at the top right corner. Give that a click and enter your existing email address and password to log in. If you've saved your details on your device, this part should be a breeze. With your credentials verified, you'll be taken to your Outlook inbox. Now, let's adjust the settings to add a hyperlink to your email signature. Look towards the top right of the screen where you should see a small settings icon. It often looks like a gear. Click on that icon, and from the drop down menu select account to access the settings related to your email account. After entering the account settings, you'll need to find the option for signatures. It may be nestled among several other settings, so look carefully for the label that says signatures and click on it. Once you're there, you can start typing or pasting the text that you want to turn into a link. This could be your company name, your personal brand, or simply the word website. Highlight this text with your mouse or trackpad to ensure that the link you add will be attached to it. Next, look for the link icon. It usually resembles a little chain link and is often found in the toolbar above your signature text editing box. Clicking this icon will open a dialog box where you can enter the desired URL. This is the web address you want your highlighted text to direct to, such as your business site or an online portfolio. After you've entered the web address, it's important to double check the URL for any typos. Once you're satisfied that everything's correct, click the OK button to confirm and save the hyperlink within your signature. Before finishing up, you might want to send yourself a test email to ensure that the hyperlink works as intended. Just craft a quick message, send it to yourself, and click on the link from the email you receive to verify it directs to the correct destination. And that's pretty much all there is to it. You've successfully added a link to your Outlook email signature, providing recipients with an effortless way to reach important information. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this feature as helpful as I do.